hurts at first, a sharpish pain that returns as a thought. Let the needle in your skin will bring you closer to God. And I watch as your hand turns full circle. I'm hopeless without coffee and a medical text. It's too easy knowing nothing going on with the rest. And the riddles in the pages leaving too much to guess. And the worry cracks and fracture from your hip to your chest as I watch as your hand turns full circle. Cause you drink for relief with the heart of a child and the wit of a fool. It's a wonder why I don't try to build a wall around you. And I watch as your head turns full circle. Your head